In an era where tech seems purpose-built to expire, to force us into a cycle of replacement and regret, finding true professional-grade equipment is becoming an exercise in deep archaeology. We live in 2026, and disposable is the default. Yet there are still tools designed with a different ethos. Today, this is a product review of what I consider the definitive professional standard, the dust collector nail tech, a system that, if chosen wisely, becomes a long-term value proposition. Now, let's talk about the silent killer of productivity, the low-grade friction that builds throughout your day, chipping away at focus. For many professionals, especially those in precision environments, dust and airborne particles aren't just an annoyance. They are a constant, low-level threat to workflow and health. This unit features an industrial-grade filter, a cylindrical design engineered to capture and contain, not just deflect. Crucially, its operational acoustic signature remains below 70 decibels. This isn't just a quiet feature, this is a quiet standard. It's the difference between starting your Monday morning wrestling with ambient noise and particulates, costing you precious minutes of concentration, and simply getting to work. That quiet efficiency, that near silence, could easily reclaim 5 minutes of sanity before your first coffee is even finished. Think of the cost of failure, the mental fatigue of constant distraction, now eliminated. Pick this up, feel the heft, the absence of flex. This isn't some hollow plastic shell designed to last until the warranty expires. The holder, a super flexible pantograph, anchors with absolute confidence, placing the collection head precisely where you need it and staying there. This is a tool that feels dense, substantial, almost cold in its substantial presence, clearly built for a demanding professional environment. This tactile feedback, this joy of ownership, is more than just aesthetics. It's an assurance. It's the kind of build quality that actively prevents future errors, ensuring components won't rattle loose, joints won't seize, and the entire unit won't become part of the endless replacement cycle. It's time debt repaid in a chassis you trust. Now, no product is without its small idiosyncrasies, its professional compromises. The independent control box, while providing granular 10-speed wane control and 5 lighting effects, does add a small, separate footprint to your workspace. For some, this might initially seem like an extra piece to manage. However, in real-world professional workflow, where precise adjustments are critical, having that dedicated control unit within immediate reach quickly outweighs any minor desk clutter. It becomes an intuitive extension, saving crucial micro-moments of fumbling and ultimately fading into the background of a productive day. The true long-term value of a tool like this often extends beyond its initial acquisition. When you factor in the sheer time savings, the reduction in daily friction, and the freedom from premature hardware failure, the numbers shift dramatically. Amazon prices on professional-grade equipment, especially post-2026 update models, are moving constantly. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.